the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Like the light that blazes from the sun and moon, self-luminescence shines with no position or preference. Like the essence of the sky, we are free from the limitations made by investigating and holding on to things. Self-luminescence cuts through complications. It is not associated with visualizations. It illuminates everything. It brings everything together. Like the waves of blessings in the ocean's ebb and flow, this treasure of fullness rises up out of itself, recedes within itself, and has no position or preference. The blessings of its clarity are inconceivable. It shines on the three borders and encompasses their dominion. An analogy is that it resembles a jeweled golden isle. It may appear as anything, but is perfected in its unity. Self-evident awareness does not contemplate anything. The doors to this house of jewels are united, so from any of them we reach any of them. No matter which we go through, the jewel is the same. Through them we will acquire the trove. Princes who are so fortunate as to be able will dwell in the self-luminescent light of totality. It is a samadhi that decimates anger. It does the same for great stupidity. It does the same for lust in all its applications. It retains the three resolves of pride. It does not engage in jealousy. These 5 areas are subsumed within the light of self-luminescence. 5 things are presented to signify one thing. This resembles the way our delight in one taste encompasses everything we taste. We abide in the dominion of the Dharma, which does not require any understanding or practice. With the resolve of the awareness of clear light, we engage in the heart essence of the sky, which does not require thinking. With balanced minds that do not search, we transform into invisible charioteers of awareness. We perceive the meaning of the unwritten. When we follow along the trails of definitions and grammar, we contradict the significance of uncomplicated awareness. This unsought and self-occurring light is luminous. It dissolves into a dimension that has no boundary or center. The secret, great secret, totally secret, and self-secret are subsumed into one, the complicated. The light of the wisdom of self-luminous awareness has no position or preference. It is equally in everything. The true essence of equanimous awareness could be anything. It takes all forms. Self-awareness does not pass on or change, and however obvious it may be to us, there is nothing called this.